There was people in cars. There was people in cars, trucks, and vans that seen this incident occur.
Okay, what town are we in? Holy Mother of Moo Moo. Got it rolling. Oh my God! Tell me he got out.
The train derailment was brutally steaming from the chemicals in the tank. The excavator was demolished and inside of the train carrier. The truck wasn't part of the train. The crane got sliced into pieces. There was people investigating to see if anyone was okay. The truck driver was okay and the train engineer was safe.